Arch Linux and NixOS are two Linux distributions with fundamentally different design philosophies. Arch is a minimalist, hands-on distribution where you build your system from the ground up. NixOS is a declarative distribution where you define your entire system configuration in a single file, and the system is built from that specification. This comparison outlines their key differences and ideal use cases. Overview of both distributions. Arch Linux provides a minimal-based system that the user builds upon by manually installing only what they need. The distribution uses a rolling release model, meaning software updates are continuous rather than released in major versions. Arch is known for its extensive documentation and community-driven Arch Wiki. The distribution is designed for users who are comfortable with the command line and prefer to configure their system manually. NixOS is built around the Nix package manager and uses an immutable atomic update model. The entire operating system is configured declaratively through configuration files, and the system is rebuilt from that specification. NixOS supports atomic upgrades and rollbacks, meaning if a change breaks the system, you can revert instantly. Key comparison points. Approach to system configuration. Arch requires manual configuration and installation of each component. You edit configuration files directly and manage packages with Pacman. NixOS uses a declarative configuration file where you define everything from installed packages to system services, and the system is generated from that file. With NixOS, you can replicate the same system on another machine simply by copying the configuration file. Updates and rollbacks. Arch uses rolling updates that can sometimes break the system if updates conflict. Recovering requires manual troubleshooting and log inspection. NixOS makes atomic updates and rollbacks straightforward. If an update causes problems, you can select the previous system state from the boot menu and revert instantly. Package management. Arch uses Pacman for binary packages and the Arch user repository for community-maintained packages. NixOS uses the Nix package repository, which includes over 80,000 packages. Nix isolates packages and their dependencies, reducing conflicts when installing software. Learning curve. Arch requires understanding of Linux system administration and manual configuration. NixOS requires learning the Nix language and module system, which is a different paradigm from traditional Linux management. Some users find NixOS more complex to learn initially due to its unique approach. Flexibility. Arch offers complete control over every aspect of the system, but that control comes with maintenance overhead. NixOS offers flexibility through declarative configuration, allowing you to swap desktop environments or services with small changes to the configuration file. The rollback feature enables experimentation with less risk. Recommendations. Choose Arch Linux if you enjoy learning how your system works under the hood, prefer manual control over every component, and are comfortable troubleshooting issues that may arise from rolling updates. Arch is best suited for users who want a minimal, flexible system that they build themselves. Choose NixOS if you value system consistency, reproducibility, and the ability to roll back changes instantly. NixOS is best suited for users who prefer to define their system configuration declaratively, want to replicate setups across multiple machines, or are willing to learn the Nix language for a more predictable computing environment. Conclusion. Arch is the build-it-yourself option with occasional maintenance demands. NixOS is the defined attended build option with controlled, predictable outcomes. The choice depends on whether you prefer hands-on flexibility or declarative consistency. As one user noted, Arch is a gateway drug to NixOS, reflecting that many users eventually transition to NixOS for its reproducibility and rollback capabilities. Both distributions reward users who invest time in learning them, but they reward different approaches to system management.